a lot of criteria really for good quality resources. So for instance, your numbered bean bags or your lettered bean bags can be used for the younger children, like the throwing and the catching it, but then also there's the opportunity for extending that learning with your letters and with your numbers and things like that. Obviously the good quality products, your larger equipment that you can buy, for instance, for den making, your blankets and your crates, all that kind of stuff. But so for your larger purchases, fantastic quality, but then also for your everyday things, so your glue sticks, your paper, your pens, things that you're going to be needing on a regular basis. The cost saving in the sense that we've had items from YPO that have lasted a number of years. You're buying them in bulk, you're buying more, so obviously that is cost saving in itself. It's the simplicity of it, so basically you can do your room audits, see what you're short of in each area, look through your catalogue and then you order and it's next day delivery.